In this video, we will see how the calculator module of Fitteia works. If you go tutorial 1 folder, you can use this menu, the file basic 5. Here you have a X-ray diffraction pattern that we will fit using sum of Lorentz and Gaussian. Center of this curve allow us extract characteristic distance from the profile which are associated with the aggregate formed by a molecule of this compound. I do not know exactly what it is, but it must be a liquid crystal. This calculation we need perform is very simple. We have to do 2 pi over q. In this case, the center is represented by q1, q2, q3 and q0. So these are mentioned on the right side. Let's go to the calculator module. We can delete what is here and paste the small code. Here we have small table with the center which we are reading directly from the parameters. Unfortunately, the uncertainty does not transfer automatically. We have to go to the filter, extract the uncertainty for q1 and q2 and manually enter it here. Next, we calculate the characteristic distance using the formula 2 pi over q column 1 and also calculate the uncertainty using linear propagation. Finally, we create table showing characteristic distance and their uncertainty. We click calculate and here it is the result. We can also save this file in the calculator module to prepare your calculations in advance before working in the lab. I hope this module is helpful and see you in the next video.